Hello guys, in this tutorial I want to talk about roundings and how you round numbers correctly, because you can sometimes lose some points because some rounding mistakes you do in the beginning will go through the whole calculation, so you will take this mistake then through the whole task. This can be super unnecessary. So how do you round correctly? To kick that off with we best need that with an example. So imagine we want to calculate 1234 times 1234. This is the answer of that. I don't believe that any one of you read that completely. Me neither, that's why I was so lazy and didn't read that out. But this is something that happens over and over again. So you want to shorten it, you don't want to say every number or to read every number. And especially if you have a number like this, and this would go on. So how do you do that, or what do? You round numbers. And how do you approach that? So basically, in most cases it is given in the task. So for example, your teachers might say, we want you to round up to the 4th place or something. So you count that 1, 2, 3, 4. So we want to cut out this part of the number. So not really cut that out, but we want to round that so that we get zeros over there. So what we do from this point on, we just look at this number, the last number before you want to cut it. So we have a 7, and what does that mean for us? We have to round up, because if this number is bigger than 5, we round up. What does that mean? That means that if you want to rewrite that, we write down 1, 5, 2, 3, and not 2 as we had before. So we have 1,523,000. So this is basically if you want to round that. With decimals like these, it's super important to round correctly, and it can be super annoying. But this is why you usually work with fractions. So if you need a lesson on fractions, go back to one of the last tutorials. So basically, let's say we want to round that, because otherwise it wouldn't make any sense. So to make sense, let's say we want to round it to the 4th decimal here. So we want to cut out this part. What we do now is basically the same as we did before. We look at the last number before the cut, and then we always compare to 5. So we have a 1 over here, which is smaller than 5. What you do, you round down. So basically what you don't add anything to the 8 before, you just leave it like that, and you would write down 0.0008, and that's it. However, a special case for roundings, and I will use this example for the special case. So imagine now your teachers say, okay, I want you to round up to the 3rd place. So that means we don't have to cut here, but we have to cut here. What you do now, again the same approach. So you look at the 8. 8 is obviously bigger than 5, so you have to round up. What does that mean? If we would want to rewrite that down, so this was for the first case, and now for the second case, if we round at this decimal. So what we do now, again same approach, so we're write down a 0 and we add 1 to the number before, so we are left with 0, 0, 1, and that's already it. So again, as I said, first of all, look what is expected from you. So if your teacher say 2nd decimal, okay, 2nd decimal, don't do any more work. So then you count up 1, 2. So this decimal that we want to have the last, cut out the other unnecessary red, and then look at the number before the cut, and you will be good to go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the other videos on my channel, and if you have any specific question or any specific mathematical problem, let me know in the comments down below, and I will make sure that I go through it and make a video about that.